In this video, we provide 3+ fixes for the "this page didn't load Google Maps correctly." See the JavaScript console for technical details. Error. The Error Code Pros compiles solutions for common tech problems from around the Internet. All the information is meant to be purely educational. Consult with a technician before attempting a potentially risky fix. Click the link in the description to read the full tutorial. It includes more comprehensive information and video guides to help with this specific issue. Google Maps is one of the most integrated navigation tool readily available to everyone for use to direct customers to their own physical business or organization locations. With the use of geolocations, Street View, and other features supported by Google Maps, customers and clients are able to navigate and see a preview of the location of the business or organization before visiting their office or store, reducing late arrivals and lost walk-in prospects. However, with recent changes made on the Application Programming Interface (API), most web developers building websites with Google Maps integrated on it are receiving errors about Google Maps not loading correctly. One of the known reasons why this error pops up on your screen is the lack of an API key. Such a case happens due to the recent changes in the Maps API. Those who are using Google Maps on their websites prior to June 22, 2016 will not be affected by the changes on Maps terms of use. However, those using Google Maps API after June 22 will be seeing errors when using Google Maps API with a blank API key because Google now stops support for keyless access. There are major changes on the API and script use for Google Maps, so it is best to check it out before integrating Maps to your own website. Since the June 22, 2016 update, Google Maps API no longer supported keyless access. The API key is unique to every user who requested it. To get your key, simply follow these steps which are outlined by LaTechnosfera. Click here to obtain a unique API key to add. A free API key only supports 25,000 map loads per project per day. Premium Plan Cloud API users get higher volume than the regular map load maximum limit. You can also check premium plans by clicking here. As a Google Maps API's Premium Plan customer, you have the option to use an API key or a valid client ID each time you load the API. You can check more information about authentication parameters designed for Premium Plan customers in this link. Depending on the web platform or website service you are using, you can access your Google Maps script code on the web service you are using. For those who are not direct web developers of their website, it is best to seek assistance from a competent web developer to avoid future problems when altering or editing your webpage script code. For those subscribed to paid web services, please talk to your user support, technical support for assistance. Last is to replace your _API_ key with the generated key. This should be located on the last lines of your JavaScript code. This is the line where you can find your _API_ key. Once you saved the code, wait for 5 minutes to refresh your webpage. If all goes well, congratulations. So far, this is the most known fix to this kind of error. If you are not a programmer, you can ask for assistance from the website provider support of your subscribed web service. Notably, most Google Maps widget are already updated to the most recent terms of use on Maps API. If this error message pops up on your Google Maps widget on your website builder, don't hesitate to ask help from your web platform provider. User Nazwa Ashiba from Stack Overflow talks about enabling the API library, especially for this Google Maps JavaScript API. To check whether your API library is enabled or not, you can follow these steps. Go to the GCP console API library, select the project used to create the code for your Google Maps API on the API page, click on Enable. Once enabled, you can see a comprehensive data table of your Google Maps API like traffic, errors, and latencies. You can refresh your webpage to check if Maps is successfully showing you locations. If it works well, congratulations. You can check more of this fix on the Google Cloud Support page, under Cloud APIs. There are considerations when doing this fix. Factors like billing, service usage, and the terms of use could affect the performance of your Maps API. Should your website experience a high volume of traffic and increased visitor count, consider getting a premium plan for your APIs, especially your Maps API.